Gusto ba ninyo makakita og mga wild animals nga low budget ra og ma-feel ninyo ang vibe sa Africa? Ayaw mo kabalaka guys, kuyog ko ninyo i-explore sa Cebu Safari and Adventure Park located lang dinhi sa Carmen, North Cebu. For as low as 1,300, ma-explore na ninyo, ma-enjoy na kayo ninyo guys ang Cebu Safari o makita ninyo ang nagkalahi-lahi nga mga animals, mga wild animals dinhi nga karon pa lang gid ninyo makita in actual.
Alakit ka ayo. Wala, nag-stretching ni sa kuya. Kit kayo. Halog. Okay. Ito daw guys. Wala ka na na. Nakat sila tapuan. Next stop naman yung sa line.
Hi, Jack!
Bugoy.
Hi, Jack!
Si Bugoy itong pasababa, ma'am.
Si Jack, si Max.
Si Jack o si Max. Sa ilang tulo, si Jack ang pinakadako, si Max ang pinakagwapo, si Bugoy ang pinakabugoy.
Pinakabugoy ang pinakapangit.
Si Bugoy ang pinakagwapo.
Asa ka si Bugoy na?
They sleep 16 to 20 hours a day. Mostly, mami, nung arong oras, ay sleep na dyan sila. Pero kaya nagmata pa sila.
Na si Bugoy.
Gamay-gamay lang na siya glawas, pero siya ang pinaka-isog o pinaka-maldito.
Ah, okay. So, Bugoy gid siya.
Si Max. Totaling 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day.
Pwede na magawas.
Kadagko sa camel.
Lubat sa puno market lang.
Bacterian camels. Armongol bacteria.
40 years din siya.
Guys, ang camel.
Nga, bitaw ko. Lahi mo yung camel.
Nice, look.
Flamingo din.
Birds of the world. Flamingo. Philippine eagle. Hello, Philippine serpent eagle. Hala ka na ron. Uy. Itong tamasa. Eagle. Wow. Kadako. Hindi ka na dun sa bird.
Dali ako, pakita ko.
Look. My God. My God.
Excuse me.
Possible to sing sa mula.
Wow. Wow. Oh.
Regret. Ang taga-ay sila. Muna ang two humps. Muna sa Mongolia, China.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for your patience of waiting. How's everybody's doing today? Are you all good so far? Okay, so welcome to African Savannah. I am Emma, your tour guide for tonight. Cover distance of 12 meters in length.
Itong Maldives.
Yes. Again, the Samsung Gazelle and the Impala. So a year, by giving moistures lang sa plants nila kinakonsume. And also known as Madam Gazelle Fabricating, especially kids, if you're familiar of that subject, so mostly matawag na si Ma'am Gazelle, Madam Gazelle. Alright, so Anays, they have black skin with white spots and their shapes are unique like fingerprints, so there are no two zebras having the same pattern, and everyone, they can sleep standing up because they have locking joints at the same time with one eye open. Yes. Next, for the waterbuck monster, so they use water to escape predators as their body secrets oil to cover their coat for waterproofing and attracting mates. The older they get, the stinkier they become, especially male. Yes, more baho, more guwapo sa lahat.
More baho, more guwapo.
Male Anays, more than Alright. That is the eland first. It looks like a cow, but that is one of the largest antelope species in the world, can weigh 400 to 1,000 kilograms. Hold tight, everyone. Usually, there were times that letter couldn't will run after us. Some answer once you feel danger or we tend to blend into the woodlands. Stand still lang na, very difficult to spot. Again, that is the Dutcher kudu. In another gem spot to your left side. And here, which is reddish brown in color, are the blessed back. So they have that unusual white marking on their faces. It's a
Brown pa rin na. Transition to black na sa pagkakita.
that is the
This is a newborn zebra.
those are the wildebeest
Oh.
before we mark. So I guess familiar
Ayun,
with the
nasunan
sa
ka.
movie na Lion King.
Newborn zebra.
This same species na has due to the
Ang brown,
Yes.
mag-black
And the
sila
flood of
pag-
the savannah po na sila mag-sir. During their mating season, the wildebeest, the zebra or baby one rowella, the gemsbok, and the blessbok. And we call it here African Savannah. All animals here is nag-originate din sila sa Africa. But they were bred and born in captivity na sa USA, Belgium, and UAE. But some of them
Okay guys, so now we're heading to the crocodile. Hala, hala, ang crocodile. Oh, entrance. Look, it's so big. Ang kadako. Manlihok. Grabe, kadaghan sa... Grabe, kadaghan.
Oh, was ist das? Komm mal her. Was? Kuscheln.
Ang slim sila. Okay, sila.
Otter sind richtig süß, oder?
Ganda nila kayo.
Otter?
Ay, sila.
Aber
Gitanong ni nila. Hi guys, so now we're here at the African lion. So ma-enter ta din. Where's the lion? Tulog na yung lion guys. Oh yeah! Halfway. It's the African lion. Tulog siya guys. Tulog siya. Kita yung itlog. Look.
Pinas namatay. Mamatay sa dugay kayo. Tortoise.
Asa pa ning natulog pud sila mga siga to.
Dito ko lang, kaya nga African lion.
Tulog pod. Di pang kapoy sila.
Ato ba mo kay itsura ta mo bida kuan sita.
Oo, dito. So, din na po sa giraffe. Naman nila. Todos ko ay.
Tingnan doon sa cellphone mo.
Guys, magtatagas ang giraffe.
Lubot ko kayo. Binibog na po ang lubot mo.
After that, hold the feet over money and extend your right arm like this. Lower the center. Alright, so we already have our other ball here. Now our other ball here, starting with simple abstract instruction.
Bye-bye, Doggy. Bye, Doggy.
And reminders for everyone, please
Why can't we find
please for your own safety.
Ah, na po gede dulu.
Isang lama, guys. Hello, Besh. Nagtulog-tulog man ka, Besh. Huwag man ka nagtrabaho. Nagtinapulan man ka. Kalap ko. Ano ka, Besh? Dagan kayo mo din. Nagtrabaho.
Tambo ka, no?